Welcome people, welcome. Let's talk about Teuna Classic coin once again. Teuna Classic last year was able to burn about 37 billion coins in the period of 3 and 4 months. Now Teuna Classic are planning to burn over half a trillion coins. Teuna Classic are planning to burn half a trillion or 1 trillion coins this year 2023. I remember achieving that level of burning is not going to be easy. Imagine Teuna Classic burning. I'm not talking about staking. I'm talking about burning 1 trillion Teuna Classic LUNC in 2023. Of course, it's going to be amazing. But right now, of course, this coin is almost hitting 1 trillion staking, and the staking was something that took me by surprise because as of last year, Teuna staking was about between 20 billion and 40 billion Teuna Classic coin was staked, and within a period of few months, Teuna Classic was able to stake the community stake over 800 to 900 billion coins. Now the staking is almost hitting 1 trillion. It's amazing to see people are staking. Just recently, Kucoin staked about 48 billion coins of Teuna Classic. So the staking have really increased. Remember, when the staking, of course, that number must surely be taken out of the supply, and I'm happy to see that Teuna Classic people are staking. People still believe that this coin is going to increase, and I believe if the burning also increase just the way the staking has been increasing, if the burning will rise up to 1 trillion coins that will be burned in 2023, it's going to be a benefit for Teuna Classic. Is going to help this coin to really gain a lot. Now I believe, of course, we all know we are targeting 1 cent, 1 penny before the end of the year, about 10,000%, and I believe with the high staking, with the high burning, we can achieve that level of rise. Teuna Classic can hit such level of rise. Now 1 penny for me just deleting 2 zeros, and it is possible that Teuna Classic can reach that level. Earlier Teuna Classic was trading with about 4 and 5 zeros. Right now about 2 zeros have been deleted, and we have 2 more to go in order to hit 1 cent. Hitting 1 cent, having about $100 investment right now, will be returning about $10,000. But we're hoping, of course, that this year becomes a better year for crypto industry. Teuna Classic need a healthy environment, and that is to say, if Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, can be increasing, if Bitcoin will continue to rise, let's assume Bitcoin ends the year 2023 trading at over $50,000, then believe it, most coins will be trading at a very high price, and I'm hoping for Teuna Classic to keep increasing in price. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.